So you want to use your own melody in Suno and not let it write the whole song for you? Good, we like that energy. Step 1, record your melody. Hum it, sing it, whisper it dramatically into your phone. It doesn't have to sound amazing. This isn't the Eurovision final. Step 2, upload it to Suno. Find audio, hit upload, define it as voice, and then wait for it to finish. Press continue, paste your lyrics, type in a prompt, and there you have it. Tweak the prompt until it behaves. AI is like a very talented intern. It needs clear instructions. But here's the real secret. If your melody is messy or random, the result will be messy or random. That's why we built Margido Melodizer, an offline tool where you can shape, edit, and refine your melody before it ever touches an AI. No random surprises, no giving up ownership. You make the melody yours. Then let Suno do the production magic. Margido is the songwriting companion you've always needed. Now, go write something that sounds like you, and not an algorithm.